Hi guys, if you are a beginner and you look how to start creating website and you have no ideas about how it works, then you came to the right place. We will watch how to start from zero to the final point. Installing, configuring and launching your website locally and test everything. But there's some steps that we need to make to ensure that everything will go smooth and clean. Before going any longer, there are some files that we need before starting our tutorials. The files that we need to install first, and configure step by step. After that we will be able to start create some awesome and responsive website that you'll be glad to see over the internet, and feel proud of the good work you did. But you must be careful with those steps, because you should pay attention carefully to what you're going through. The files or the installs you need, you'll find them in the description of the video with the link that you'll need to download them all. So, stay safe and watch and learn. If you have any questions about anything, feel free to comment or email me. I'll be glad to help, so don't hesitate to ask whatever you like. All you need will be right between your hands. One last thing, don't forget to like and subscribe to encourage us to make more videos. Thanks.